The Speedy cheetah, a marvel of nature. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, and their amazing speed is partly due to their long strides. In one leap, a cheetah can cover 23 to 26 feet, 7 to 8 meters like a superhero in action. But speed isn't just about power. Cheetahs must also be smart. A rash decision like charging too fast or jumping without care could hurt them. Their bodies are built for speed, but they need to stay focused to avoid mistakes. Next time you see a cheetah, remember it's not just fast, it's also careful. Nature's design is truly incredible.